8-year-old Paul had always been a gentle soul. His eyes sparkled with kindness, and his heart thrummed with the simple joy of making others happy. One sunny afternoon, Paul saw his little sister, Lily, struggling to find something fun to do. Without hesitation, he handed her his favorite toy truck, the one he usually kept carefully guarded. Lily's face lit up with pure delight as she played, and Paul felt a warm flutter of joy. The next day at school, Paul noticed his classmate, Tommy, looking frustrated and lost over a difficult math problem. Their teacher was busy helping another student, so Paul slid his chair over to Tommy's table and whispered, "Do you want some help?" With patience and a genuine desire to assist, Paul walked Tommy through the problem step by step. A broad smile spread across Tommy's face when he finally understood. Later that week, Paul went for his usual stroll in the community park. The lush green trees swayed gently, and the air was filled with the laughter of children. As Paul was about to join them, he spotted a heap of litter under one of the picnic tables. He frowned, remembering how much his mother loved this park and how hard the community worked to keep it clean. Paul picked up a discarded bag and began collecting the litter. Some of the adults noticed, and soon others joined in to help. By the time he was done, the park looked pristine again. Word of Paul's action spread, and soon enough, his small acts of kindness began to resonate with others. Parents pointed him out as an example to their children, and classmates felt encouraged to lend a helping hand themselves. Even on social media, snippets of Paul's kind deeds circulated, inspiring people of all ages to contribute positively to their communities. Paul never thought much of his actions. He simply wanted to do what felt right. But in a world that sometimes felt overwhelming, his small acts of kindness made a big difference. And perhaps the greatest gift was how his gentle spirit kindled a sense of warmth and unity among those around him. In the end, Paul proved that you don't need grand gestures to make the world a better place. Sometimes, all it takes is a bit of heart.